Hey guys, continue. I'm gonna show you some more things. This is my whole entire keychain. I know. Okay. I'm sure you guys know. Wait. Okay. I'm sure you guys know my keychain. Okay. First I'll show you my library card. I got this library card when I was like in summer time. Yeah, and then it was in California library. And I got this shoe clock. It's very cute. Here's the real time. I love it, love it, love it. It keeps track of me what time it is, and it's almost. And this is the hand sanitizer I bought in Costco. It's just like expensive. And here's like a drip of it. Okay, and I see it's like right in my hand. See? Oh, and it's like yeah. It smells like refreshing gel. Baby, you smell it? Wow, fantastic, amazing. And this is all my keychain. Yeah. And don't worry, that's my brother walking in. Wait, I know this is a long time with this. Wait, just talk to my brother for a little bit.
Why did you do that?
What am I doing?
He is fixing the dog chicken. Push back to work. Now? Now I was sitting here all day, but put a light around my face. Anyway, I didn't do that loudly, but that was me. Yeah, I think you gotta get lunch.
Hey guys, I'm back. This is my light. Of course, I'll show it to you right now. Wait, this is what it looks like right now. So, my brother's going to turn off the lights for me. Show you this. It's a very pretty. And here's the lights. I know, very incredible, right? And like, here's like, this is just like this thing here. You see it? It's all like, oh. It came from, see now like no more? That's because the light came from this. Pretty, right? And when I plug it in, watch this. You see this? No, right? No, right? No, right? Okay, watch. There, I plugged it in. And look, beautiful colors. Dun, 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 dun. And I love this. It's my favorite light ever. Watch, you can see it flow. Flow. Heck up pretty. And my brother's gonna go ahead and talk about this light and where we got it. Some Chuck E. Cheese. And then like off its way.
Long time we never go to Turkey. We get that light in Turkey. he took out $1,000. And now it's $1,326 for buying the lights. And I hope you guys.
Thank you, brother. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and goodbye. See you next time. Bye. See you right now. Bye.